Dal and Thal. How to connect them together or with other letters? Interested to know? Just follow me. Hello everyone. Saif here and a new video with Arabic with Saif. In the previous lessons, we have covered 7 letters different forms. Today, with 2 more letters different forms, Dal and Thal. Both letters have same forms and the only difference in the dot. Let's see letter Dal different 4 forms. This is the isolated form of Dal as we studied in level 1. This is how the letter looks like if it's by itself in the word. When you write Dal in the beginning of a word, it stays as it is by itself shape, not allowed to connect any letter after it. And when you write it in the middle, it connects to any letter before. That's why this short line will be before it, so any letter can be connected, but nothing after it. The final form of Dal also takes the same shape as in the middle, allowing to connect any letter before. If you understand well letter Dal different forms, it will be easy for you to know also Thal because same forms. Let's see letter Dal 4 forms. We know the isolated form of Dal. If Dal in the beginning of a word, it will be same as Dal, but with dot on top, not allowing to connect any letter after. If Dal in the middle of a word, it will be same as Dal, with dot on top, and allowing to connect any letter before, but nothing after it. And if Dal at the end of a word will be same way with Dal, allowing to connect any letter before it. Now let's practice how to connect and read some words, but we will mix letters between this lesson and the previous one. Dal, Alif, Ba. Let's connect these 3 letters. First, we will check the relation between Dal and Alif. If Dal in the beginning of a word, it cannot be connected to any letter after it. So by default, letter Alif middle form will change to be initial form. Now we will check the relation between Alif and Ba. Alif in the middle allowed to connect letter before, but nothing after. So Ba final form by default will change to be written by itself shape because cannot be connected to Alif. And the final form for this word will be as it is because we cannot connect them together. Let's read it. Dhab. Dhab means melted. Another word. Alif, Kha, and Dhal. Let's connect these 3 letters. First, we will see the relation between Alif and Kha. Alif in the beginning of a word, it cannot be connected to any letter after it. So letter Kha middle form by default will change to be initial form. So it will be written like that. Now we will see the relation between Kha and Dhal. Kha middle form allowing to connect letter before and after. And Dhal final form can be connected to any letter before. So both Kha and Dhal will get connected. And this will be the final form for this word. Let's read it. Akhadh. Akhadh means took something. Another word. Jim, Dhal, and Ba. Let's connect these 3 letters. First, we will see the relation between Jim and Dhal. If Jim in the beginning of a word, it can be connected to any letter after it. And letter Dhal middle form can be connected to any letter before. So both will get connected. Now we will see the relation between Dhal and Ba. Dhal middle form allowed to connect letter before, but nothing after it. That's why letter Ba final form by default will change to be isolated form because Thal refused to get connected. And this will be the final form for this word. Let's read it. جذب. جذب means pull something. Okay, now I will show you some isolated letters and try to form two words. And if you have any question, please write it in the comments. I'm always ready to answer. خاء, ألف, باء. Try to form a word from these three letters. حاء, ذال. Try to form a word from these two letters. Okay, here we have reached to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. Smash the subscribe button, hit that like button, and check out my videos for more. Alright, get you guys next lesson. Salam.